Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Odyssey door panel. Before starting, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. These tools help prevent damage to your vehicle's interior. Having a small container nearby for screws and clips is also a good idea, as it helps keep everything organized and prevents losing any small parts during the process. Now, let's begin the disassembly. First, use your small flat blade screwdriver or trim tool to carefully pry off the small trim piece located behind the interior door handle. Once that's removed, you will find two Phillips head screws. Remove both of these. Next, gently pry up the power window switch panel, starting from the rear edge, and disconnect its electrical connectors. Look for any other hidden screws, often one under the armrest, and remove them. With all screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Insert your plastic trim tool between the door panel and the metal door frame, starting at the bottom edge. Gently but firmly pry outwards to release the plastic retaining clips. Work your way around the sides until all clips are free. Once the clips are released, lift the entire door panel straight upward to disengage it from the window channel. Finally, disconnect the interior door handle cable and any other electrical connectors still attached. To reinstall the door panel, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect all electrical connectors and the interior door handle cable. Carefully align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel and push it down securely. Then, firmly press around the perimeter of the panel to snap all the retaining clips back into place. Reinstall all the screws and trim pieces you removed. Finally, test the power windows, door lock, and interior door handle to ensure everything functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.